Good morning, virtual writers workshop students. You do not have to join via Google Meet today. I just wanted to record this and post it for you instead. So I apologize if you woke up early just to come, but I just wanted to go over a few things with you. The intended purpose of Writers Workshop was to give students who are taking multiple AP and dual enrollment classes a chance to have study time, to do their work, to get extra help, to get tutoring. So obviously in our current setup, that's a little bit superfluous. As virtual students, you have all the study time that you need. And even for the students in class, because we have advisement now, it's not super necessary. By the time we realized that, it was too late to change the schedule. So I want to be here to help you if you need it. The only thing that I'm going to require of you for this class is that you keep a Google Calendar. I don't know if you're aware of this, but your school email and school Google account has a Google Calendar linked to it that is automatically linked with all of your Google Classroom pages. So if you go to your Waffle, there should be a calendar spot, and if you open that up, you should see in the monthly view all of your assignments from Google Classroom that have been posted so far already on there. So that's really helpful. I'm going to post something about this later today, but I'm going to ask that you keep your work schedule, other assignments that are due, other activities that you have, all on this calendar. Just because with this rolling due date, with this schedule that we're on, it's a lot to keep track of in your head. So I think that it would be beneficial to you to get used to using a planner or a calendar for this year, and then potentially as you go forward. So that's your only requirement. I'll be checking that each week. I'm going to check in with all of you virtual students every week. I'll probably either shoot you an email individually and just say, how's it going? How's everything? Do you have any questions? Excuse me. Or I may post something to just your group in Google Classroom and ask you to kind of, respond and say like, hey, yeah, I'm good. But I want to touch base with you at least once a week so that I know y'all are all doing well. The other thing that I want to kind of make sure you know is available to you, the reason that the English teachers teach Writers Workshop, and the whole point of why the class is called Writers Workshop is because as AP and dual enrollment students, you do have more writing assignments than normal. So if at any point you have any writing that you're working on for any class, for scholarships, for applications, anything that you would like help or feedback on, I am here to do that. So I will proofread, I will read and give you feedback, I will conference with you. Anything you need for that, feel free to ask. Shoot it to me in an email, share it with me on Google Drive. On Fridays from 9 to 10 and from 1 to 2, I'm going to have open office hours where I will post a link to a Google Meet that's just going to stay open for that time. So you're welcome to jump on that and ask questions. But I am here to help you. So let me know if you need anything. And if you will just on this little assignment, mark it as done after you've watched this video, just so that I know that you saw it. So I hope you had a great first week. And again, let me know if there's anything that I can do to help you. Have a good day.